Investing in equity market is just like riding a roller coaster ride. It's both exciting and frightening. When a roller coaster goes up, you will feel excited. But when it comes down, you will be frightened. No matter how frightened you are, it is wise to stay seated and not jump out of panic. Jumping out may incur an irreparable loss, while being seated is going to reward you when you finish the ride. So, in the case of equity investment, after investing, if the market goes up, you will be excited. But when the market falls, you will feel fear. Your success as an investor doesn't depend on whether you were frightened or not. It depends on what did you choose when you were under extreme fear. Correction is normal. Before equity mutual fund can create wealth for you, it goes through many ups and downs. If you feel fear and get tempted to sell due to it, remember one thing: correction is temporary and growth is permanent. In fact, a market correction is a good opportunity to invest more at cheaper prices, which eventually end up giving you more profits in the long run. Be it a roller coaster or equity mutual fund, staying on course is the right choice. Call us now to know the suitable investment opportunities. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.